Over the years, Subaru vehicles have gotten quite a reputation for safety. That's because we go above and beyond to not only protect you in case of a collision, but also to help you avoid having an accident in the first place. That's why we're proud to introduce one of our newest features, High Beam Assist. It's an innovative feature from Subaru that helps you use your high beams as often as possible for maximum visibility without blinding oncoming vehicles. It works by automatically dimming your high beams when it senses oncoming traffic approaching and reactivating them when traffic passes. This helps give you the best night visibility possible while allowing you to keep your hands on the steering wheel. Thanks to High Beam Assist, you'll see better and drive more safely without having to constantly adjust your high beams. This smarter way to enhance night visibility is just one more thing that helps make it safer to drive a Subaru, not just for you, but for everyone on the road.